Hey guys, WaltWW here. Watched one too many ChrisFix videos this morning, and he was raving about the Soapy Wooder, so I got motivated to go wash my truck. And on the way out to the truck, ran into this ant mound, and got a little idea. Try some Soapy Wooder on it. See if that takes care of ants. These are fire ants. They're an invasive species here in Texas. These little bitty ones running across here, those are pharaoh ants or sugar ants. They're actually pretty nice. They don't bother you. So we'll try to avoid them, but we're going to douse these fire ants. So let's get our supplies and get to it. Some soap, a spray bottle, and some water. Get our soap measured out first. This is a very important part. You want to be pretty accurate with this. You want to get exactly 5 milliliters. Alright, got our 5 milliliters of soap. Now you can use any variety of soap that you want. We got blue, we got green, we got clear, we even have orange. Heck, you can even use this fancy stuff with all these words on the bottle. Now nobody's got time to read all that, so we're gonna go with blue since we're fighting fire. Blue is the color of water, and water is the opposite of fire, so there we go, going with blue. Alright, so I know some of you are already going down there in the comments, blowing it up, saying, well, what about purple soap? Well, yes, any color soap includes purple. Now we just need to add some water. Add our soap to the water. Here's my dispenser of choice. It's not the best choice. Or we might have gone with a few too many milliliters of soap. So let's rearm ourselves and go again. Alright, time to reload. A slight bit more challenging when the bottle is soapy wet. Alright. Alright, round 2. Appears these super soakers do not like soap in them. Round 2. Alright, let's try a little bigger soap dispenser this time. They don't make them like they used to. Alright, so it turns out, go easy on the soap. A little bit goes a long way. sunlight kind of makes it hard to see what's going on. But as I can zoom in here, you can see the dead ants. Alright, can confirm, Soapy Wooder works on fire ants. As a bonus feature, it works on mosquitoes too. Alright everybody, this is the next day 24-hour update on the Soapy Wooder effectiveness against fire ants. And as you can see, it does eliminate them. There's a pretty good ant graveyard going there. The mound itself is pretty well taken care of. No ants coming up out of it. But there's one spot right here that I just poked. A few of the survivors came over here and built a new nest just above the other nest. Not a lot of activity, but there are still some live ants, so not 100% effective, but it worked pretty good because this other nest had thousands of them in it, and they're gone now. Alright, y'all hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I will catch y'all on the next one.